so this is the flip through for our little journal on the go. So we do have our little journal here, right? Made out of those incredible, beautiful print. Now, of course, if you want to add up pockets in the front and the back, you sure can. You got room for it. I did not, but you can totally do that. Okay. That's journal number 2, or number, whatever number you want to give them. And that's the one I put in, which is this one. Like so. Okay, so I used this one was part of a background. This one was part of a half-page picture. And this one was, I think was part of a page that, leftover of a page that I kind of liked. That is part of a page that is from a background. And this is the other side of, this is supposed to be a whole book cover, full size, but I just took pieces of it. Anyway, I like how they kind of worked out. So the little, I mean, it is a pocket book at this point. So let me show you. So this is the front. This is what it looks like. I added up a little ribbon here. This is the back. And those are part of the embellishment package. There's so many of them. I was so just like overwhelmed by choosing something because I like every single one of them. So anyway, and that's also part of the embellishment. This is a little ink bottle so you can refill your ink pen. Anyway, so it does open like this. I put the pocket. The only thing I added up on the pocket was a little bride with a little ribbon. That is like a feather pen. It is also part of the embellishment. That is part of the embellishment. Everything is part of the embellishment. See, this is the little pocket with the little gusset, right? I put 2 journaling cards, which are part of the embellishment. I printed them on parchment paper, and it goes in here. And those, which are also embellishment, you know, those are those tag tickets that, you know, you can either cut here or fold, and sometimes you put them on a page, you know, half on this page, half on the other page. I made little booklet with them. And I put little inspiring words from, also from the embellishment. So that I put little coffee dye paper. So I have 1 little booklet, 2 little booklets. I love it. I think they look so cool. And 3 little booklet, you know, the jolt little note, right? And that goes in that front pocket right there. So here is the, which holds your booklet. I put a little tag, which is also part of the embellishment. This is also part of the embellishment. And I use it as a, you know, paperclip type of thing, like little tuck. So it's glued halfway here. And here I put a little, you know, little something if you want to write little secret things or whatever. That's also part of the embellishment, and it goes here. So now, okay, and as you know, this is the front and this is your back. So the only thing you have to decide is which booklet you want to put in, right? So you can put this one in if you wanted to, or the other one in, whichever one. I mean, they all look so good. I have to say, they all look so good. And then you get your little refills. When it's done, you just go on and put another one. I didn't tie the ribbon by itself. I just tied it with the string that I had left over. I just wanted like a little touch of ribbon. So that's what I put right there. Okay, and you do, as I said, you have enough room to put a envelope if you wanted to. And this is the one I'm gonna put in kind of like it. I love them all. So here you go. And then to close it, it goes like this. So now you get a little ribbon to pay attention to, but other than that, it goes right in. So those measurements, if you put the measurement exactly how we said to measure, that cut is perfect for the top. Okay, and this is your security. You put it right there, and that will hold it close. But it won't open anyway. I tried it. Oh, also I wanted to say, because that little pocket has a gusset, if you don't want to put, if you don't want to spend time doing those, you can also put one of the little book. It does fit in, because I tried it. See, and you can put, actually I think I put it this way. It fits in. You can put 2 books if you want to, and you can still close it. Just like that. Okay? So that is the little journal on the go. I really hope you enjoyed the making of it. I really, really did. I thought that was really nice. I mean, all the embellishment you have in that kit and everything. I mean, this is like, I could have kept on going forever. So that was the 3rd and last tutorial for Vectoria Design. And I thank you, Vectoria Design and the whole team, because that was such an incredible opportunity, and hope you enjoy every tutorial made with that kit, which I say again is the I'm a Writer kit, and that's what it is. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.